Hello, trading is closed on August 26, 2015, and I'm Jeff Tennant. My last call, which I made when the market had tanked, was that we should have a strong rally with a target of 1932.24, and that worked. I don't usually get a chance to watch the market during the day, and I did today, and I'll have to admit when we started dropping here, it sure looked out of reach to me, but it printed. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print. Here's the target, support under the target. It said here there was a buy. The S means it was a strong, a 3 gives the reason. We didn't have to go higher than this line, but clearly we did. Well, if, and that's underlined, if this were an ordinary market, I would say here's a wall, here's a hole in the wall, a gap. Normally within a day or a day and a half, the gap fills, we undercut the low of the wall, and there we find support. But I don't think this is an ordinary market. I don't think you're going to find too many markets that rally 73 S&P handles in a day, particularly when there's a 34 handle drop along the way. I still have a number of strong bottoming indicators in place. I still don't like the fact that we gapped down sharply Monday when my indicators said we should go up. The way I count things, if we gap up over this consolidation, then the consolidation was just the market making a mistake and wouldn't count, and that would rectify things. Now, it's not good that we have a strong early rally here, gapping up with a strong rally here, and gapping up again 3 days in a row of strong early moves, and still we can't make higher highs. All these highs are holding. And if we start down early tomorrow, I suspect that we're going to have the usual circumstance of filling the gap. But some of the indicators I follow, which have worked in the past, are still screaming we're making a bottom. And if we gap up sharply over these highs and don't reverse it promptly, those indicators are saying we could go much higher. Long term, I think the market's in big trouble. I think the early action tomorrow is going to dictate how we move. If we start down, we should keep going down. If we start up strongly, I think we'll keep going up strongly. I'm not risking any money on this until the market opens tomorrow, but that's not unusual for me since I don't usually hold positions overnight. But I don't really have enough to say that this rally's over. So we'll see what happens in the morning, and that's today's call.